Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. Went out, scored big at the, guess, Goodwill. That's right, Goodwill. Alright, so we got the Secret Sew coming up. And I recruited the help of the lady who owns the channel, my wife, okay? It's her channel, and I'm just the guy who stands in front of the camera. But I'm gonna need help with the Secret Sew because it's gonna be 10.5-inch blocks. We remember that 10.5-inch blocks coming in, and I got to put them together, so it's going to be a lot of work. So guess what I found? Look at this. This thing is amazing. It's a Kenmore Sewing Machine. All right. Don't mind this. I took the plate off because I'm doing some tune-ups to it. I oiled it and stuff, So I checked it out. It runs great. Control pedal was attached. Look how much we paid. 19 bucks. Come on now. Come on. That's good. That's a haul. That's what we call a Goodwill haul, okay? This thing is really in great shape, Got the bobbins already, so we're ready to go. The one thing that was wrong with it is the little post here that holds the thread is broke. And if that's why they turned it in, I'll take it, I'll just get one of those telescopic thread holders, stand it behind the machine, and away we go. Okay? I turned it on, cleaned it up, I oiled it. It's ready to rock and roll. I mean, it's just a little machine to help put together blocks. I mean, it's nothing fancy, nothing high speed. You're not going to fit huge quilts in it. But it's a sewing machine, and it works. She likes it, It's not going to be complete until I put my Punisher skulls on it. But it's still a great find. And look at this, an iron. This iron is awesome. I just tried it, and look what we paid for it. Great price, all right? Those of you who are in my age group, remember this iron. This is an old school iron right here, okay? And this iron puts some heat down, okay? This is one of those irons where, you really gotta pay attention because it'll burn you up, all right? So my Oliso, I love my Oliso, so I want to kind of give it a break a little bit, I kind of treat it like a little kid, so I want to give him a little vacation. So I'm going to put my Oliso up for a few days and work this iron. I mean, there's no problem with having more than one iron. I mean, there's no rules to it, right? All right? Quilting police, are they coming? We don't know if they're coming or not. All right, look, the quilting police may show up. But we made great finds, okay? We got great big projects coming up, so I got to get prepared for them, and I got to recruit my director, okay? So she's going to help me put some of these blocks together so that we can put these quilts together to give to veterans and veteran organizations. But that was the U-Haul find that we had, the haul that we had for the weekend, and that was really it. That's all I really wanted to show you, okay? Don't forget, the Goodwill is a great spot to find stuff, all right? Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.